First, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately after the accident. Even if you feel fine, some injuries may not be apparent right away. A medical professional can assess your condition and document any injuries for your claim. Next, gather as much evidence as possible from the accident scene. This includes taking photos, collecting witness statements, and obtaining a police report. The more information you have, the stronger your claim will be. Documenting your injuries and treatment is another essential step. Keep a detailed record of medical visits, treatments, and any related expenses. This documentation will support your claim and help establish the extent of your injuries. Consulting with a personal injury attorney can also be beneficial. An experienced lawyer can guide you through the claims process and ensure you receive fair compensation. They can also help you understand your rights and options. Be cautious when dealing with insurance companies. They may try to minimize your claim or pressure you into a quick settlement. It's important to know the full extent of your injuries before agreeing to any offers. Consider the long-term effects of your injuries as well. Some injuries may require ongoing treatment or impact your ability to work. Factor these potential costs into your claim to ensure you are adequately compensated. Finally, be patient throughout the process. Claims can take time to resolve, and rushing can lead to missed opportunities for compensation. Stay organized and keep communication open with your attorney and medical providers.